Easily change dresses in Canva with just one click. Go to canva.com. Open a new project or any existing project. Go to Apps and search AI Clothes Changer. Open this app. Upload your picture. Select clothing type. Upload your dress picture from here. Click Try it on. Wait a little moment. And here you go. Click to add to the design. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.